So in our last step, we had our Autodesk Mesh Mixer organized so that we have our little holders set up for our 3D object. And we exported that as an STL file. Now, with the XYZ printer app ready to work, I have the XYZ app open. I'm going to hit the import button, and then I'm going to grab my STL file that I just previously had saved just a moment ago, and I'm going to hit open. So this is the software that the printer that we have here, the XYZ printers, use to send the actual print job. And we might get a bit of a warning here saying that it's out of boundary. So our first job here is to hit the move button and hit land. And so then I'm going to move our object here. We can use our view button here to have a look at what it looks like from each edge. Okay, so now that our object is in, all we need to do is plug in the printer, put down our glue, and hit the print button once we're ready.